The risk of representing the Holocaust through realistic representations is a risk of being complicit with the very forces that victimized the Jews in the first place. There's also the risk of creating a kind of excusing or creating a kind of redemptive or adaptive mechanism with which we can ultimately forget the Holocaust. In contrast to that, the Memorial for the Murdered Jews of Europe in Berlin uses abstraction to produce a critical memory. This is not a memory that comes from someone actually seen or someone seen in a photograph. It's not a memory that comes from some inscription from the archives of the Prague Cemetery. It's a memory that comes from the slabs themselves, from the way they're organized, from the way the organization of the project itself reflects the enormity of the scale, the systematicity, the randomness of the Holocaust itself. This is the critical memory that Eichmann is attempting to produce. The memorial doesn't try to conciliate. It doesn't try to give us a conciliatory narrative or image. It rather, in its very negativity, forces us to think about the unnamed strangers whose absence is utterly sealed, whose loss is final, and it tries to force us to not forget that. The German Jewish philosopher Theodor Adorno put this point very powerfully. After Auschwitz, our feelings resist any claim of the positivity of existence as sanctimonious, as wronging the victims. Our feelings balk at squeezing any kind of sense, however bleached, out of the victim's fate. And it seems to me that the memorial in Berlin follows this kind of sanction of refusing to give a positive excuse for the Holocaust. This memorial presents us with the fact that the events in question, though they cannot be represented, must be remembered.